Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Allah, we are going to conclude our constitutional development lesson in third part, and which is leading to the notes, which inshallah is coming soon in the form of Google Meet. So I'm going to conclude the constitutional development of Pakistan, a very important question regarding the differences and similarities, which will make a clear understanding for you people what was in the 56 constitution, what about the 62 constitution, and what about the 73 constitution. So we are going to move the part of the similarities. All the three constitutions were influenced by the objective resolution. As I told you earlier, it was the guideline. 1949 objective resolution was the guideline for the upcoming three constitution. In all the three constitutions, there was emphasis on Islamic principle. What were the Islamic principles? The president, prime minister, there must be Muslims. All the laws will be made in the country which will be followed by Quran and Sunnah. No law will be made which is against the Quran and Sunnah. Provided structure of the government was parliamentary form of government. Recognize rights of citizens means they will every constitution will be guaranteed or will be making sure about the fundamental rights, which are the basic rights, and no authority or the body will go against the fundamental rights. So these are the differences in all the constitution. System of the government in 1956-73 there was a parliamentary form of government, which is already told in the objective resolution. Presidential form of government was there only in 1962 constitution, means it was followed by basic democracy system, and this constitution was followed by the dictator Ayub Khan. Then Islamic provisions in 1956 and 73 constitution there was strong Islamic provisions, but 1962, because this was the individual constitution, so that is why there was on Islamic provisions it was not strongly enforced. Legislature, that was, as I told you earlier, the features of 56 and 62 constitution, it was a unicameral legislature, means there was only National Assembly, but 1973 constitution there was a bicameral legislature. So it was the status. Now what was the status of 1956 and 62 constitution? Both of the constitutions were abrogated, but 1973 constitution is still implemented. So we have a quick conclusion and review of all the constitution. The objective resolution laid the foundation of Pakistan. Constitutional development, 1956 constitution introduced parliamentary democracy. As I told you earlier, 62 constitution was followed by democracy. 62 constitution led by the presidential system. 73 constitution again restored parliamentary democracy, remains the most successful and lasting framework, and it is told that is the true Islamic constitution. So we have might be possible you people have a short question regarding the Islamic provision. If you are going to appear in board exam of BISE and there is a short question of regarding what are the Islamic provision of any of the constitution, students, you may write any of the four. If it's a 2 marks question, if there is no specifically mentioned whether it's a 4 marks question or 2 marks, but short question is about 2 marks, you may write 2 points or 4 points. If there is no specifically mentioned, that write on 2 points. As far as the FBIEC concerned, there is a short question which is about 3 marks. So you may write all the 6 points, and these are most easy points which I told you people. The name of the country will be Islamic Republic of Pakistan. President, Prime Minister will be Muslim. State religion will be Islam. No law will be made which is against Quran and Sunnah. Alcohol usually will be banned. Sovereignty is vested only Almighty Allah. So this is the very easy points which you can write down or mention in the short questions. Or as far as the Islamic provisions are concerned, if you have a long question, you may write the definition of constitution, then you will write down the features, then when it was abrogated, what are the Islamic provisions. If you people will do discuss all these points or the headings, inshallah you can complete the long question as well. So best of luck for